Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have the SJCAM here. This is the model SJ9 Strike. I'm going to show you how to change the video resolution. Take note that this model does offer 4K at 60 frames per second as well. So very simple. Just go ahead and turn your action cam on, and then down here, and make sure you're on video, okay? So make sure you go to video here, and then you see 4K down here. Currently it's at 4K at 60 FPS. Tap on that, and then here you go right here, okay? So here's the, oops, let me go back here. So I got 4K here. I can go ahead and tap that up here, and let me go back here. So here's 4K up here. Let me tap on that. I can change it to different frames per second here. As you can see here, I'll keep mine on the max at 60 frames per second. Go back here, and then also you can change it 4K Ultra, 2.7K, 1080p. You can even all the way down to 720. You can even do a 1080p here, and you can go up to 120 frames per second. I'll go ahead and leave it at this. So I know it's at 1080p at 120 frames per second, because if you look down here, it says 1080p, 120 FPS. So pretty simple. If you guys have any issues or anything like that, just comment below. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.